Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this 15.6-inch portable triple monitor for laptop, the link is in the description. Today, we're exploring a device that takes mobile productivity to a whole new level. Most people carry laptops, but limited screen space can slow you down. This triple monitor extender completely changes the game by giving you 3 full HD displays in a single portable setup. The design is sleek and surprisingly light. Even with 2 extra 15.6-inch panels attached, it folds down to a compact form that fits neatly in a laptop bag. The hinge mechanism is smooth and allows full 360-degree rotation, giving you the flexibility to adjust angles for focus, collaboration, or presentations. Unlike clunky multi-monitor setups, this one folds flat and travels effortlessly. The screens themselves deliver full HD 1080p clarity. Text is crisp, videos and images are sharp enough for productivity tasks, and the anti-glare coating minimizes reflections. It's ideal for editing, coding, document review, research, and general multitasking. Each panel extends seamlessly, creating a desktop-like workflow on the go. Setup is remarkably simple. Connect via USB-C or HDMI, and the monitors are instantly recognized by both Mac and Windows laptops. No drivers, no additional software, no headaches. If your laptop supports power delivery, the screens run efficiently without draining your battery, though there's also a supplemental power cable for devices with lower USB-C output. Using the triple monitor setup dramatically increases productivity. For video editors, one panel can host the timeline, another for previewing footage, and the central laptop screen for tools. Developers can keep code on one display, documentation on another, and testing or output on the main laptop screen. Students can take notes while keeping research and reference materials visible at the same time. Simply put, everything becomes faster, smoother, and more organized. Durability is another highlight. The hinges are solid, holding each panel securely at any angle. The adjustable mount accommodates laptops of different thicknesses, from ultra-slim ultrabooks to thicker gaming laptops, without wobbling or tipping. Even with all 3 screens in use, the system remains balanced and portable. One standout feature is presentation mode. You can rotate a screen towards someone else without having to move your laptop, making collaboration effortless. This small but effective feature is perfect for meetings, classrooms, or casual demonstrations. It adds convenience without compromising portability. Real-world use confirms its value. Whether working in a coffee shop, co-working space, or hotel room, this triple-screen solution makes multitasking natural and efficient. No more constantly switching windows or resizing apps. Everything is visible and accessible simultaneously, giving you the feeling of a full desktop workstation wherever you are. Brightness and viewing angles are optimized for indoor use. The anti-glare finish helps maintain visibility in bright rooms. While it's not designed for direct sunlight, it handles standard indoor environments with ease. Even extended sessions do not overly tax laptop performance, though keeping a charger nearby is recommended for intensive use. In short, this 15.6-inch portable triple monitor for laptop provides a true portable workstation experience. It enhances workflow, improves multitasking, and brings desktop-level productivity to mobile setups. Once you've used a triple-screen setup on the go, returning to a single laptop display feels limiting. The combination of portability, performance, and design makes it a standout productivity tool for professionals, students, and digital nomads alike. If you want to buy this 15.6-inch portable triple monitor for laptop, the link is in the description. It's a practical, elegant, and efficient solution for anyone looking to expand their screen space without sacrificing portability. Truly a productivity upgrade worth investing in.